In this video, I'll show you how to wash your Wayuu bag in 4 easy steps. The first thing I like to do is to spot treat any stubborn stains manually with just a little bit of soap. I rinse and repeat, and this should help the stain wash right in the washing machine. To protect the bag from getting damaged, I place the tassels and strap inside the bag before placing it in the wash to make sure it will stay in perfect condition. I also like to pull the base of the bag down and fold the bag in half, as I feel it helps get a better wash in the machine. Here, you're going to want to wash the bag on its own on the quickest cycle, so in my case, it's a 15-minute cycle. Once that's done, hang your Wayuu bag to dry, and voila, you have a perfectly clean Wayuu bag ready to be used again. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. See you next time!